How to download WPS Office for free on your laptop. This tutorial shows you where to get it and how to skip the premium upgrade prompt. First, open your browser, like Google Chrome, on your computer. From there, search for WPS Office. After that, navigate to the official website, WPS.com, making sure to avoid any sponsored results at the top. At this point, click the free download button on the site. If the download gets blocked, check your browser's notification settings to allow downloads from that specific site. Following this, once the file finishes downloading, run the installer. From here, agree to the terms shown. At this stage, click Install Now. Give it a moment while the installation finishes. Following this, once it's done, open WPS Office. If a prompt appears asking you to upgrade to a premium version, simply exit out of it, since the free version still lets you create and edit documents without needing to pay. That's how you download WPS Office for free on your laptop. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!